Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So we will proceed to our next problem. We had done till third problem. Sixth problem, see a question, x plus 1 by x whole raised to x plus x raised to 1 plus 1 by x. In your previous problems, you had directly, yes, you had just a single term, you were applying that property log. See, here also you have to apply the property log, but here you see, if you apply a directly log, see here you can't apply directly log because you don't have any formula like log of a plus b, right? You don't have such formula, so you can't apply for this. If you do log of a plus b, you don't have any formula only, so you can't do this. So it's better that we have to take separate and then apply the log. Like, see a solution. Let y, first we are denoting it as y. Let y is equal to x plus 1 by x whole raised to x plus x raised to 1 plus 1 by x. Now y, this term I am denoting it as u and this term I am taking it at v. Now its a derivative will be what? Derivative, how it will become? With respect to x, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. So now we will find our du by dx, we will find our dv by dx separately and then put it in this whole equation. This you can take it as equation in a Roman number 1, and then you will get the value of your dy by dx. Here you have to find what dy by dy itself. Directly can't apply log for this because we don't have any formula for this, yes, so we are doing the separately. So first let us consider our u is equal to x plus 1 by x whole raised to x. Same procedure, applying log on both the sides, yes. Sorry for that disturbance. So log u is equal to x log x plus 1 by x. Now we are doing differentiating with respect to x. So differentiating this log u, differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x. But here x plus is taken by what? U. So this derivative will be du by dx. Okay. So I'll write it. You will get 1 by u du by dx. And here you see you have here x and one more with log x. So here you have to differentiate product rule. You have to apply this as a u, this as a v. You have to apply your product rule. What your product rule tells? Yes, u into v, keeping your u as it is, derivating your v, plus keeping your v as it is, derivating your u v dash plus v u dash. So in the same way, first we will keep u as it is, then deriving your v, and then we will keep our v as it is and deriving your u. So what we will get, keeping your x, this is log x, yes, log x is 1 by x, and again here you have interior differentiation. This is our again chain rule we are applying. Again interior differentiation of this will be, you can take like this, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 and differentiating of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Go through your formulas, you will understand. Okay, now this part is over. Second, keeping your v as it is, log of x plus 1 by x, differentiating your x, x differentiation will be obvious, it is 1. Okay. So next what I have done, I am simplifying. See here you have 1 by x plus 1 by x. So taking this LCM will be what? Here taking LCM, x it will be, so if I multiply here x, it will be x square plus 1 whole divided by x, right? This x if I take here up, this x into x will be x square. In the same way here also applying your LCM is what? X square. So here is 1, so this becomes x square minus 1 whole divided by x square, yes. Don't forget your LCM, do properly, plus your log of x plus 1 by x remains as it is. Now here you can see my x square get cancels, this x square and this x square get cancels, taking u on the other side, so it becomes u, and remaining is x square minus 1 whole divided by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. Now what is your original u value? Substitute your u value and take it as equation 1. In the same way, now we will consider v, same applying your log on both the sides, differentiating it, and we will find dv by dx. Okay. So same way, next we are considering v is equal to x raised to 1 plus 1 by x, applying log on both the sides. So this will be log v and this will be log of x raised to 1 plus x. Same, our which identity it will be? Log m raised to n, and log m raised to n is what? N log m. Okay. So same we are applying it. See, for your reference, write here which identity you are using. Every time I am writing, so please you also guys write it. Then log v, it is the same, n log m. Now what we do, we differentiate with respect to x. So log v differentiation will be 1 by v. Here x place is taken by v, so again differentiation of v will be dv by dx. And even here also you have two functions. So this we will take u, this we will take v, and again apply our product rule. What is our product rule? uv if you take, keeping your u as it is, differentiating your v, plus keeping your v as it is, differentiating your u. Okay. So let us do that. So this differentiation will be 1 by v dv by dx, and here u, keeping your u as it is, 1 plus 1 by x, differentiating your v, log x differentiation is 1 by x. Second, keeping your v as it is, differentiating your u. Here you have two terms, differentiating your 1 is a constant, so it will be 0, differentiating 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. Okay. Now next what we will do, same, I will take here LCM. Here LCM will be x, so this becomes x plus 1 whole divided by x it will be, right. So this x and this x if we multiply it will be x square. So in the same way we'll, so removing your LCM we get 1 by v dv by dx, x plus 1 by x square minus log x by x square, taking v on the other side, so it will be v x plus 1 by x square minus log x by x square. Now what is our original value of v? We will substitute it. We get x raised to 1 plus 1 by x, and this as it is. This will be your equation 2. Now from your equation 1 and equation 2, we will substitute in your Roman equation 1. Okay. From equation 1 and equation 2, we get, because we want the value of dy by dx, right, and it is what, du by dx plus dv by dx. Keep your dy by dx as it is, substitute your du by dx value, substitute your dv by dx value. That's your final answer. So at last I have substituted my du by dx and dv by dx. This is your final answer. So whenever they have given single term, there you can apply directly the log, but if you have addition or subtraction, take it separately and then apply the logarithm, and at the end you can substitute in this. Okay. We'll see our next problem. So you have next problem, sin x raised to x plus sin inverse of root x. In the same way as the previous one, first we will take, let y is equal to sin x raised to x plus sin inverse root x. This we will take it as u, take it as v. Why? Because there is no such identity of log of a plus b. So directly I can't apply my log here because this is in addition. We have our identity, what, log of a into b. Log a into b, we have log a plus log b. So students, don't get confused. So you'll get u plus v. So its derivative will be what? dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. As usual, take it as Roman number 1. Now first we'll consider our u, applying our log on both the sides, differentiating it and finding our du by dx. Okay. So we are proceeding. Take, let u is equal to sin x raised to x, applying log on both the sides. So this you get log u is equal to log of sin x whole raised to x. So here which property will apply? Log m raised to n. Log m raised to n identity is what? N log m. So same way your x will be here, it will be x log x. Then we will do the differentiation. So we have written it, log u is equal to x log sin x. Now what we do? Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiation of log u will be 1 by u du by dx. Differentiating with respect to x, so this will come only. Here x you have log sin x, so you have again here u into v. Again product rule you have to apply of our u into v. U into v product rule is what? Keeping your u first as it is, differentiating your v, keeping your v as it is, differentiating your u. So in the same way I am going, see here directly I am going, I am not writing in your previous example like du by dx of and all, because now it is till now you know how to do. So keeping my x as it is, differentiating this, right, differentiating log of sin x. So first log x will be what? 1 by x. So 1 by sin x. Again interior differentiation of my sin x. Sin x is what? Into minus cos x. So differentiation of sin x is sin x is minus cos x, close. Now second, keeping your v as it is, that is log of sin x, and differentiating your x differentiation is what? 1. Yes. Now we'll just write it properly, taking your u to the other side and just simplifying it. At the end, replacing your u with the actual value. So after coming here, see, I am multiplying this x, right? It will become minus x cos x whole divided by sin x plus log sin x. This 1 by u I'll take to the other side, so it will become u minus x. See, cos by sin is cot x plus log sin x. Now what is my u actual value? Replace it to sin x raised to x and then write this as it is. So this is your equation 1. Now same way we will do forward a v. Okay. Here v, you see, v is equal to sin inverse of root x. So in this case, no need of applying log. Why? Because directly I can differentiate. Sin inverse differentiation we know only, right? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So in this case, no need of applying log. Directly we will find out our dv by dx. So right here, differentiating with respect to x and then differentiate. So my differentiation of sin inverse is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So this is of sin inverse x, right? Sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So here x value is taken by what? Root x. So this will be how? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. X is what? Whole root x. So root x, again it is square, right? After that, again root x you have to differentiate our root x also, na? So root x differentiation will be 1 by 2 root x. You have to solve. If you have such problems, you have to solve until and unless you get a proper number. I have said you, this is your chain rule, so be careful. After this here, this root and this 2 mine get cancels. Yes. So I'll be left with dv by dx is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x plus 1 by 2 root x. Yes. So my dv by dx will be 1 by 2 root of, see, this is also root x, this is also root x, means how it is? It is root x of 1 minus x. So both root I have taken inside only, right? Because it is root only. So this I can take inside. If I multiply, what I get? 1 by x minus x square. So same way I have written. This you got directly dv by dx. Now substitute your dv by dx, du by dx in your Roman equation 1. Okay, and that will be your final answer. From equation 1 and 2 we get dy by dx equals du by dx plus dv by dx. Substitute your values. At the end you get dy by dx is equal to, I have substituted my du by dx and then dv by dx. Okay, this is your final answer. Your next problem, 10th one, x raised to x cos x plus x square plus 1 whole divided by x square minus 1. So in the same way proceeding, first take let y is equal to, then we are taking this as u, taking this as v. Here directly y I can't apply log because you don't have any formula with log of a plus b. So be careful, again and again I am telling, please don't make this mistake. You have formula for log of a into b. Log a into b is what? Log a plus log b. Don't make mistakes. So in the same way we are doing, then its derivative will be dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Take it as Roman 1. Now first we will take u, applying our log and then differentiating, we get du by dx. So proceeding in the same manner, let u is equal to x raised to cos x, applying log on both the sides. So you get log y is equal to log of x raised to x cos x. So here what you will apply? Log m raised to n. When it is log m raised to n, this becomes what? N log m. So my n comes here further. So it becomes x cos x log y. Now we are differentiating with respect to x. So here you can see this you can take as u and this part as v. Again in this u also you have again interior. So be careful while differentiating. So let's differentiate together. So log y differentiation is 1 by y dy by dx. In our uv product rule, how we do? uv differentiating your u, keeping your u as it is, differentiating your v, keeping your v as it is, differentiating your u. Okay. So first keep your u as it is. My u is what? X cos x, differentiating your v. So this will be 1 by y, and y differentiation is taken by dy by dx, right? just a second, I made a mistake. It is x cos x, it is log x, sorry, this is log x, had made a mistake. So x cos x keeping as it is, log x differentiation is 1 by x. Now second, keeping your log x as it is, that is your v, differentiating your u, and here u also again you have here two forms, same, this you can take as 1, this is at 2, same product rule, u v, keeping your 1 as it is, differentiating your 2, keeping your 2 as it is, differentiating your 1. Yes, again in the same way, if you want, I will write it as d by dx of x cos x, so that it will be easier if you are not understanding. So differentiate of this, here this is again u v, again u v, our rule is what, keeping your u, differentiating your v, plus keeping your v, differentiating your u. So xm keeping differentiation of v is sin x, plus keep your cos x as it is, differentiating of your x is what, 1. Yes, so now here you can see my this x and this x get cancels. For time being, keep your y here only, here you will get cos x, and here you have plus x sin x log x, plus again cos x log x, you are multiplying it, right, multiplying it, take your y on the other side, and what is your y value, substitute, sorry, this is u, right, see here I have made mistake, please rectify it, this is u, just please change it, this is u, I am sorry, this becomes du by dx. Students, please rectify it, it is u. So here you will be having du by dx, taking your u on this side, you will be having cos x plus x sin x log x plus cos x log x. Now putting your actual value of u. Second, your v part, considering the same way. See, for this v, you can do in two methods. Either directly you can apply your u by v form, or you can apply your log, and it will be what, log of x square plus 1, it will be log m by log n, right, and it will be log of x square minus 1. Either you can go in such a way, or directly you can differentiate, it is totally your wish. So I am applying here log. If anyone is going directly with u by v, what is our differentiation? First keeping our v as it is, differentiating your u, minus keeping your u as it is, differentiating your v, and whole divided by v square. So if you are going in this way also, it is fine, or if you are applying like this log also, it is fine. So applying log on both the sides, you get log v is equal to log of x square by 1, x square plus 1 plus x square by n. So this is your rule of log m by n, right? Log m by n, what? Log m, it is what, log m minus log n, log m minus log n. So this I can take it in such a way, right, this as m, this as n, so this becomes log m minus log n. Now differentiating with respect to x, so this will be 1 by v dv by dx, log x differentiation is 1 by x, x value is taken by x square plus 1, again here it is x square, so this again interior differentiation will be what, 2x, of which form you have to take, x raised to n, x raised to n differentiation is what, n x raised to n minus 1. So in the same way this will be 2 x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1, here minus, this is all same, log x differentiation is 1 by x, again interior x square is 2x. So simplified, this will get 2x by x square plus 1, this will be minus 2x by x square minus 1. So this you can take it as LCM and solve it. So here I have taken my v to the other side and taking your LCM, see this both will be your LCM, multiplying your x square minus 1 2x minus 2x x square plus 1. This will be multiplied here, this will be multiplied here, as we are taking this both LCM. Then multiply it, open this brackets, 2x square is 2x cube minus 2x, same here, minus 2x cube minus 2x, denominator remains as it is, plus 2x cube minus 2x cube get cancels, your remaining is minus 2x minus 2x, minus 2x minus 2x is minus 4x, whole divided by your denominator as it is. Now substitute your v value, and then you will get dv by dx, substitute in your main form, that is dy by dx, and that will be your final answer. Substituting your v actual value, Your x square plus 1 get cancels. You'll be left with minus 4x. Your x square minus 1 whole square, it becomes dv by dx. At last, substitute in your main. So in the last, I'm substituting my du by dx and dv by dx. This is your final answer. Please write it properly, understand it. Don't be in a hurry. Okay. Thank you.